trillions, the man said. The clown nodded and went on with his journey. He sailed to the North Pole. He got on the boat and explored everything and searched everywhere, but couldn't find any diary. He slept on the cold ice and the food that he brought with him. The next night he continued his expedition. This time he searched for any people on the islands who could ask for help. Finally he gave up and sat on a rock. Suddenly a hidden door appeared. The clown noticed this and immediately entered inside the room. He was now in a giant cave. He stopped because he looked straight ahead and saw the diary. He was walking over to retrieve it when suddenly a bullet shot from the wall and knocked him out and killed him. But he fell to the ground and saw only a blurry vision of someone as he died. He woke up in a small cabin. Where am I? The clown asked the man. In my house. I am Sam. I was once traveled here but was stranded. I can help you get to the diary. I want to help because I want people to see it, the man replied. Really, the clown asked? Yes, let's go. So they went to the cave. This time they ducked around the wall. They went around the walls and got the diary. Suddenly the cave started collapsing. They dug the rocks and got out barely. So the clown hopped on into the boat, got home and bought a mansion, and got rich. The end.
My mom sometimes gets angry for no reason, but mostly she has a reason. I haven't figured out what exactly makes my mom angry, but I have clues that show some evidence. This is how it all began. On a sunny Saturday, I was playing the game Monopoly with my annoying sister Cassie in my bedroom. We were playing normally when I landed on the free zone. I got $10 from the bank, but my sister grabbed the money from my hand. She said, "You do nothing when you land on the free zone." I screamed back, "Then why is it called free zone, huh?" We argued until we were tired. I smashed the game board into half. And do you know what my sister did? She punched me on the nose. Thanks I didn't get a bloody nose. When it was dinner time, my mom was confused why we were so upset. My sister explained everything, and she lied, saying that Eric punched me. When my mom heard what my sister said, she became very angry. She slammed her fist on the table, screamed at me, and grounded me for 5 days to be on my side. I bought a camera with my own money and put it in my bedroom. I asked my sister to play Monopoly with me again. I started the whole situation, but this time I didn't get angry. I kind of felt good. When it was dinner time, I showed what exactly happened. First, there was silence. Then my mom got very angry at my sister instead of me. I felt so good today. I couldn't believe my plan actually worked. Cassie never fought with me again. And my mom learned a lesson that never always trust what someone says.
Screamy with a plot as evil as ever. He lived in a deep dark cave with his pet/evil sidekick, Bitewing the Bat. One of his most prized possessions was his diary. He kept all of his evil schemes and evil plans in it. He and Bitewing are planning a secret mission of murder. The cackle of Screamy bounced off the walls in a creepy way, slowly fading away in the darkness. "Let me write this in the diary, and then I'll show you the way it is going to work," said Screamy's high-pitched voice. "Okay, boss," replied Bitewing. While they were speaking among each other, discussing their evil ways, a young man named Max was sailing on the river across from the cave. He spotted the cave, wondering if there was anything in it. Max sailed his boat in the direction of Screamy and Bitewing's cave. "Understand?" asked Screamy firmly. Bitewing nodded his head. Screamy brought the diary to his room, followed by Bitewing. He sat on his pile of rocks and started adding to his monstrous murdering mystery plan. Max reached the cave soon after Bitewing and Screamy had left. He decided to explore. Screamy went back into the evil planning room where he had first been starting this evil plan. He put down the diary and walked back to his room. Max was the kind of guy who didn't like to break rules or trespass. Little did he know Bitewing was still awake. Bitewing couldn't see very well, but he could hear very well. Max has always been a quiet sort of guy, so he was very careful careful and made no noise at all. When he discovered the evil planning room, he saw the diary thinking that it was unowned, like a lost cat on the streets of his city. He held the diary wanting to know if it was empty or filled with exciting secrets. Lucky for him, it was. Max suddenly tripped over a plastic water bottle and made a loud thump as he fell to the ground like a booming clap of thunder. Lightwing flew over and followed the noise to the evil planning room as soon as he heard it.
They walked through the school hallway talking about meeting up with people. Then when the bell rang, they hurried to class, afraid of getting sent to Principal Roy. Principal Roy is the grumpiest principal in the world. Ray is the oldest and his favorite color is blue, and he is the coolest boy in the school, and he is really, really, really strong. Kevin is in the middle. He is really smart, and his favorite color is red. Bob is the youngest, and his favorite color is green, and he runs. Then Principal Roy came stomping out of his office, looking for some children to tell. When he found none, he stomped back into his office and plopped down onto his sofa. He was really, really unhappy today because he was going to have a meeting with the government because some children told their parents that he was a bad principal. Ray, Kevin, and Bob did not like to go to school. So in class, they just sat at their desk talking to each other about playing video games or YouTube people. Finally, the end of the day came. Principal Roy was in a good mood at the end of the day because the meeting was not so bad. Principal Roy packed up all the stuff and headed home. Roy, Kevin, and Bob decided in class to find out what is making Principal Roy unhappy, so they were going to follow him. So they hopped on their bikes and followed Principal Roy, who was in his black Ferrari. Soon the black Ferrari pulled into the driveway, and Ray, Kevin, and Bob hid with their bikes behind bushes. Then Principal Roy left into his house. Finally, he came out and got into his Ferrari. Then he pulled out of the driveway. Ray, Kevin, and Bob got out of the bushes and on their bikes and followed him. After a few minutes, the car pulled into another driveway. Ray, Kevin, and Bob were all so tired, but they hid behind the store with their bikes. Soon